Hello, Barry Anderson with Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Another stock that kept winning race after race after race. Actually, early BWV had some news about monkeypox and all. This is boy. This also was a great one. JCSE. I just want to focus though on the BWV. So it kept winning races here. You can see it went from about 351 all the way up to 520, guys. That's a tremendous percentage move before it finally started pulling back. Now, how I'm suggesting to people, keep watching this because it kept winning races early. It doesn't mean it's all over, So if you miss this, if you're frustrated because you missed this big move and now it's pulled back, you never know. This could start moving again. It has room certainly on the daily chart, so it could start moving again. And I'd be watching this tomorrow to see if it has any sort of continuation. That's what I do with any stock that is winning, maybe in the top two or three that's won races at the end of the day. All right, guys, want to get back into the room. Have a great evening, and we'll see you at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning.